Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to add multiple links on Instagram. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. Then you will get to enter on your home page. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you will get to enter on your Instagram page. Tap on edit icon. Here you will get different options. Tap on add link. Tap on plus add external link. So on the URL, enter the link. So this could be a website link or YouTube video, and you can also give a title. And after you finish entering your link and title, tap on tick, and this is how you add link on your profile. And again on the top you can see add external link. Tap on it and add another link to it. Now let's go back to our profile. Let's refresh it, and here you can see link. Tap on it. Here you can see multiple different links, and this is how we add multiple links on Instagram.